Reconites. If you're like me, you've noticed you can get about 4 beers on the bottom shelf of your fridge, and you can even stack 4 more on top. And everything fits great. The only problem is after you shut the door. After you've been down a bumpy road and you go to open up your door and grab that nice cold beer out of your fridge, of course they fall down. But I think I've come up with a solution. So what you're gonna need for this little project is just some beer koozies like this. I got a pack of 4 off of Amazon for about $7. What you're gonna do is just cut the bottom of this guy off. Just like that. Next, you're going to take a couple of your favorite beverages and you put the beer koozie on so that about half of it is on one beer and half of it is on the other beer. It should look something like that. You do that a few more times and you get a situation that looks something like this. Okay, so pop them in the fridge, you get something that looks like that. And most importantly, when you go to open the door, they just stay right there. Problem solved. And here's the next thing. I don't want you to throw away the bottoms of those beer koozies you cut off, because what I'm gonna do is slip them on either side of these shelves, which also like to slide out, as you know, after you've been driving down the road for a day. I'm just going to use these to add a little more friction to the shelves so they don't slide out after a long drive. As you can see, I've used 2 on the bottom shelf and just 1 on the top shelf. Just depends on how much friction you need. Hope that helps everybody. Enjoy your camping and cheers. Ulu Maka.